Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a line chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a line chart on your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just use action button on the top. Otherwise, go to the chart option. So first, you just need to select the data. So I just selected the data and the data and click on the chart. Now, after picking on the chart, you have to insert line chart. So select the line chart first and just tap on the line chart. So it will be inserted here. Now you have this option called customization. So here you can just change the x-axis and y-axis and other more settings here. So you can just turn off the axis label if you don't want. I just needed this. So then here you have to select the data range label for what it should be shown, and here the line value you can just include other more values like because we have a three rows, three columns, and then you have to customize the color. You just select the color. You have the option on the top. So here you can just easily customize all the colors in the chart. So it's easy to customize, and also you can just resize the chart easily, and you can just place wherever you just need it. This is how you just insert a line chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.